Well, hello. We are back with the Retro Chip Tester Pro. We are last week, especially last Monday, we got this almost fully built. I was thinking that because the case we have has its own LED lights here, so I was wondering, do we even need to install LEDs here? Well, I started to think about it and check the traces here. It seems that there may be a big reason that we have to at least connect this VCC light here, the one here, because it connects this bottom like a trace here into the power board area. So we're gonna start by just putting all the LEDs. There are like 6, not a long job. And after that we are gonna put the thing inside this case and start testing and hope that it works. Let's hope. Let's really hope that it works. But let's start. Let's do the small one first. Let me check. It has. Let's do the green ones first. Yeah. Green ones are here, and then it also needs one red. Like that. Hey Nicola. Happy Monday. How's it going? Happy Monday. How are you, man? Nice. Even though it's a Monday. Great, just still on holiday, so no complaints. Okay, and check one thing. Small one is always the shorter one is one with. So let's put these here. With LEDs, you always have to have them in the right way. Because those are diodes. Just to be sure. Come on. Oops. Need to just. We just need to solder 6 LEDs. Not a hard job. Then we start the case assembly. Cutter is here. Hey, Sega. How are you, man? How are you, man? can't watch chat while I'm doing this, but sushi. Okay. May I ask what made it so great? What made it so great? Fresh quality ingredients, really good fish. Oh, nice. It's always the freshness. It's always about the freshness. Cheap mass produced stuff where they suka to make the rice sticks took off. Yeah. It has to be good quality. Can't, you know. The whole idea about sushi is it's fresh. Okay. Yeah, you know. If you eat something like that, go all the way. Don't try to save money with while you make it like a lousy quality. Yeah, it's if you eat that like every week, I would say that it would lose the special meaning. Okay, now we need 2 red ones, right? Yeah. Then we can continue. Then we are gonna start building the case. Yeah, there was I don't know, at least in Finland we had like 10, 13 years ago we had like a really huge sushi trend. Just said I knew people who ate sushi like daily. It was like ugh. Big reason was that there was a lot of different sushi places, and they had like a sushi lunch place next to their job, so they went there like every day. I would say too much. Yeah. now we can take this out. Well, job markets change like all the time. There, now we have the let's see. Okay, so then we start doing this baby. So normally like this SIF connector here, it would be here, but because we have like its own cables, we are gonna connect the cables into here, so we can use this nice looking thingy. Buttons here are connected. Let me take this. Buttons are connected to this one. SD card goes here, and this one you don't use. There's under here there is a ISP, which you can use to basically upgrade the software. So it goes here. Contrast is here. The capacitors and all, they are basically these ones, yeah. And this is the screen. And power comes from here, yeah. So we still have to solder something. We have to solder this one. So we're gonna use the 9-volt power plug here. As you can see from the left here, the board itself has three places. You basically have like a three kind of USB connectors. But now we are going, but because we are using this whole case, and I don't wanna start to cut holes into it, so I'm gonna use the one that it was meant to use. Let me check. Let's put these here. Let me thin those well. Like that. And the right one was red. Yeah. So let's put that first. Like that, and then black goes here. Right. Then we go put this baby in here. Goes well in place. Then we have to put this one screw here. Is it the right screw? No. Where the hell did I put the right screw? I dropped one. Where did it go? Yeah, everybody loves me around. Yeah, it stays in place. Can I put this from where? Take this out first. I can run it. I'll run it through that place here. Useless. Nobody is useless. Okay, let's see how are we gonna start building this up. So lots of cables. Lots of cables. Wrong way. That explains. Let's start with this one. It's missing one pin, as you can see, but that's how it's meant to be. That goes over here, and this goes here, and this was this way. Yeah. So that's basically the power board. This here is the screen. Yeah, and here we have buttons. Hi, Jelly. I wonder which way this goes. Let's hope that it goes right this way. Like that. Then I had this here. This is the power button. What else do we have? So we have the USB. This is gonna be fun. I have no clue if this is the right way, but let's hope. Let's hope. Well, this is easy because that goes that way. Then we still have these babies. Get in there. What are these chips from? What chips? Okay, now we should have everything. We should at least. The cables are somehow better here. Something is well, let's check this if it starts. That's the biggest thing now. 9 volts. It's off. And now let's just hope. Woo! It boots up. Well, it's basically we can test different kind of chips with this one. You can I somehow let's do one thing first. Let me put this in screws in so we can put this in a way that you can see. Hey Stimus. Well, this is basically like old ICs, memory chips. We can try test some soon. Memory chips, logic chips. What else? I have a couple of here. We can try. This also has some other cool stuff. I can basically, if there was like some EEPROM that had like an example, let's say like an old game, then I could basically like dump the data from the chip into like a SD card. Example. If I wanted, then I can. This can also be used like as a slow EEPROM programmer. There are better ones if you want. So it's just retro handheld. No, this is just you can test if the chip is working. This is not a gaming machine. This is not for gaming, this is for fixing and test. That didn't go in the right way. Well, it's this now. Try. Okay, the light works here. Nice. Lights are on. So I can. Like. Can you see it? Let me zoom. You'll see soon. I'll show. I'll show what we are gonna do. Contrast works. Okay. Let's try DRAM 5 of EEPROM, different kind of chip, logic chip, custom programming. You can also, like I said, you can use this to program some chips. Service. Let's try service. That button. Every button works nice. 20 times 4. Let's self-test. Nice. Everything should be okay. Okay, let me get a chip. If you remember, I bought some times ago. These are just small amount. I have a big box full of like different old chips. Let's check. So basically, I have. Let's see. It would be this chip. It says, yeah, the RCT1DX is the name of that case. There's this like this one. I don't remember if it's the place or it's the group, but that has created this whole tester. But there's another guy who has created this like a. Let me check. So. I'll say 3G6PL. Do I have it? Should this should also be like a SRAM, 8x8 Go. Let's go back. So SRAM. Is it common? Let's try this. This should also have like let me check. Service search. Okay. No. Hey Oni. No, not this one. First time using this, so I don't really know how to use it well. Do I? No. Reset takes it back. How did I? No, I don't want to search something like that. So let's try if it is ASRAM, is it common? No. Uncommon? There are like really common ones here. But this system knows like thousands of different. Let me open the manual. Yeah, never read the manual. But it seems that at least for now, it boots up. And the buttons work. Let me check from manual how do I use the search option. Searching a chip, okay. Yeah, who needs manual? So it's service search. Okay. If first draft is correct, press jump once. What is jump? I don't have jump. Yeah. Do I have a enter config? Ah, yeah. The reset just takes us to the beginning. How are you, Oni? How are you? How are you, people? Let me check. How do you? Ah, like this. Okay. Now I understand. That was right. Okay. Next is 6. That's right. No. Ha. Can I find LC? What is the time over there? LC, yeah, we got LC Sanyo, nice. So next, LC, right? 3 is right. Then 6. No, there is nothing. Let's see if this 1 times 4. No, this would be 8k times 8. Okay, let's try some other chip then. Haven't, like I said, first time using this, so I'm learning it at the moment. Well, this should be like a more common one. 7L. This should be a more common one. I don't think this isn't even a memory. Even for it, this is 7-4. What was it? 74104. Let's try. Search. Seven, 4, 1. Oops. 4. need to have like a I'm still basically studying a lot of these different chips, so I'm at the moment best with those, but I try to learn. Yeah, it'd be cool that you could basically, the creator has like a database on his web page, but it would be, this would be a really good idea if you could like connect this into PC, and well, basically you can through EISP connector, of course you could. But can you control the system? No. LC. The support IC database. It should support this one. Oops. I'm not really that far with this one, but basically it's a ISP connector here. You use it to upgrade the firmware. So basically I think that it should be work both ways. Like a 6 pins. Database. Supported SRAM, Sanyo LC3. Yes, there should be one. Three, 6, 3, 5. Interesting. Well, it's SRAM 8 times. What could be a system that is basically the same? SRAM. What was it? 8 times 8. Yeah. This is 64. X65. Now we have it. Now we have it. So we check it. Oh, we have to put it here, of course. Put it here. And write zeros. Right, 55s. Hey, fat boy. Well, it's basically, as you can see, now I put like a 8 times 8 kilobytes memory, and it does a test for the chips, like old chips, and tells if it works. Now it's doing random numbers. Yes, passed. So this chip is working. Nice, eh? Everybody needs one. The most fun thing that I had with this was building. I did like building. This has like, let me put you a link. There. There is a nice link. Let me try. This small one was what? DM. Let me try. DM74. What was it? DM74LS. 7414. No. PM74. 7414. 7414. This is really a X-Smith trigger inverter logic. Could it be? Logic chip. Let's try. I would say it's 7400 plus. USSR. Yes, you can have like an old Soviet chips tested. PAL identify logic chip. Ah, yeah. Put it in. Does it work? Chip, okay. Nice. So we can also test like logic chips. So it seems at least like the tester works. I'm just not sure if the memory card reader cable is in the right way, but everything else seems to work really well. What else do we have? Anything fun here? This also has like I bought. Haven't done these, but there's a lot more different. Where are those? Like adapters. So this has like 5 different adapters that I need to build, so we can basically read, test, and program different kind of EPROMs. Well, you can do those with this one already, but these are for like old ones, like a really, I don't know, if I would like find like an old gaming machine or something like that that had like a broken card, I could basically save the data from it. Do we have anything fun other one here? Hype. Yeah, okay. I would say it works. With this one you can choose different like voltages. Because some use like a different kind of -5, 12 volts, some chips. And the best part is that they basically upgrade the program as much as they can. And the best part is that, like I said, you can update it yourself with the program. So no need to, do anything, drastic. No need to buy anything new. Just, where did I put it? I got this cheap. You can use this like for the programming. Not expensive. Do we have any programming? Yeah, we can program basically with those adapters that I bought, if you remember. I just put connect this into the system. No, sorry. You put the file into the SD card, if my memory is correct. Insert the SD card in, choose the right adapter for the EPROM, and you can program. Could always try to do like a fun project that basically, if there was like some old NES game that didn't have like a let's say, so of course, some have like a -5, and so this has those options also. Logic Prom bro. EPROMs. FIFOs, DRAM, SRAM. What else do we have here? Search info. What? Chips? Ah. Nice. Self-test, exit. Enter config. What did we have here? Exit save, SD card. Yep. We don't have now anything. SD. Are we doing tests? Yeah. SRAM pull up, ROM pull up. So we just number one is beeps. Oh yeah, they should also make beeps, but I don't know if delete the custom chips. No. Yeah, there's a small sound it makes. I should have to just put more voltage into the sound thingy. Let's try once more because I wanna see what did that one thing mean that is said about show features. Yeah, this was a fun project. If you need anything like that, I recommend trying. So what is this? Hub 4164. Is it really? Yes, it is. 4164. Let's try. Reset. Oh, there is 4064. Is it this one then? It's not. Oh, 4164 should be. 41. Here. Nice. Ah, features PM. It shows that one now. Nice. Checking 1010. 64 kilobyte memory, yeah. Yeah, I have a feeling this system is gonna be quite helpful in the future. Kilobytes. Oof. Nice. It works. Okay, so it means that we have built RetroChip Tester Pro quite successfully. Can't test the programming thingy now because I don't have any need to change the firmware because it's already up to date, and I don't know if I don't have any chip that I could basically dump now. I should find like some kind of like a EPROM or some like game chip. Well, I have an Atari game over there that I could always open and try if I can take the information out. But I I will have to open the whole thing up now. But hey, this was a fast stream. Thank you all. Even though we didn't fix anything, but we can say that we did build it. So thank you all. Let's do a raid. But hey, remember tomorrow at 7 p.m. we play StarCraft with Vic and other people. Wednesday I have Simon the Sorcerer, and this Saturday birthday stream. Yes, I'm already turning 39. Oof. So we are playing Metal Gear Solid 1 on PlayStation 1 at least, and we have game giveaways and unboxing at 9 p.m. I have like 13 or 15 boxes, new retro stuff. Also, after that, some music party together. So I hope that we will see you at least on Saturday, because it's gonna be fun. But let's do a small raid. Somebody who is playing something fun.